Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys the best way to copy your own Etsy store link or other people's store link. You can copy anyone, you can copy the link of any store on Etsy using the simple steps that I'm about to show you right now. Now the first thing you want to do guys, you want to open Etsy, and after that if you want to copy your own store link, you just want to open your store, okay? Now if you want to copy other people's store link, just click on the username here. When you open any product, it could be a quick username, and after that, like if it's your store and you want to copy the link of your store, just copy the name of your store. Copy the name. Ctrl C, click Ctrl C, or you wanna click here, right click and then click copy, and then put that name on a new tab, as you can see, and add to that name, add .etsy.com. So you have to add to the name of the store, you have to add here .etsy.com, and then copy the link, send it to anyone you want. Now anyone who opens this link, it will send them directly to the store. Like you see, click enter and it will take them to the store directly. Now you can do this on your own store or other people's stores. Like I said, all you need to do is just copy the name of the store here, the name of the store, add to that name .etsy.com. That's all you need to do guys, and then you can copy the link and then send it to anyone you want. Hopefully this video you guys helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.